Unboxing time!
Uncle Sam wants you for our Nomads projects.
So everything I was doing was becoming crooked and I couldn't figure out why. Then I saw a video by One where he said that you need to check your squares. So let's see if we can get some squares. So this is a Woodpeckers mini square. I don't know the specifications, but they guarantee that it's more or less square, which is the whole point of this. They come in this little, it looks like MDF holder, and yeah. And this is the business end. Check this out. The squares come in this nice MDF holder that you can just mount right up on the wall. The parts are machined really nicely. This one is a bit larger. As you can see, I got them in the metric scale because we're in Europe. So first of all, what is the problem? Well, all tools or all measurement devices have an error to them. The question is just how large this error is, and your needs may be different, but if you're going to make tools or furniture or something where the tolerances are not that big, you need a square that is more or less square. I can't tell you the numbers, but I can tell you the bigger the item you're trying to make because of length, that means the error will increase because it's angular. Let's say if, like me, you're building tools, then those tools will never cut through. And if you then use that tool to make something that is supposed to be square again, then this error you brought from your square is being inherited, so to speak. So how do you test your square? Well, you need a factory, or it doesn't have to be a factory edge, but you need an edge that you know is completely straight. This is a piece of an old shelf, and I know that this edge here is straight. And you need a fine point pen or a pencil. You make sure that the square is flush with your edge. And you draw a line. And then you just flip the square over. You draw another line on top of that. As you can see, this square here seems to be really fine. This one I picked off a shelf in Clas Ohlson, but I had to test all the squares that they had in the shop to find one that was actually square. This is the best I found. So let's test the woodpecker ones. Perfect. Now let's test this little guy here. This is the first square I bought in a local shop after finding out that my cheap squares were not true. So there it is, all my squares are now checked and they are all true, but I have bought some really expensive construction squares that were way off. So my advice to you is to test or check your squares. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more of these, and I'll get back to you on any comments. Catch you in the next one. It's still recording, stop please!